In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Gemini chat history. We'll walk through the process step by step so you know exactly where to click and what each option actually does. By the end, you'll be able to clean up old conversations and have more control over what's stored in your account. First, open your web browser and go to the Gemini website, or open Gemini from within your Google account if that's how you usually access it. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, since your chat history is tied to that specific login. Once you're on the Gemini home screen, look for the main menu or settings icon. This is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines, or sometimes a gear icon near the top of the page. Click that to open the side menu, then look for an option related to activity, data, or history. You're looking for the section where Google manages your Gemini activity alongside other account data. When you find the Gemini or chat activity section, click into it. Here, you should see a list of your past chats or a summary of how your activity is being saved. Take a moment to look around this page. Often, you'll see options to turn activity saving on or off, to choose how long data is kept, and to delete existing history. To remove chats, look for a button or link that says something like Delete, Manage Activity, or Delete Activity By. Click that, and you'll usually be given a few choices. You might be able to delete just today's activity, a custom date range, or all time. If you only want to clear a few recent conversations, choose the appropriate date range. If you want a completely fresh start, select the option to delete all time. After you choose your time range, Google will typically show a confirmation screen explaining what's about to be removed. Read this carefully so you understand that deleted chats can't be recovered. When you're sure, confirm the deletion. It might take a few moments, especially if you've used Gemini a lot. Once that's done, refresh the page or go back to your Gemini home screen. Your old conversations that were covered by the deletion range should now be gone. As a final tip, revisit the activity controls in your account. If you don't want chats to be saved going forward, adjust your settings so future conversations are handled the way you prefer.